Hello kids, welcome to Buddi. In this video, we are going to see how coding classes are conducted at Buddi. How does Buddi teach? Buddi teaches coding using two methods, block-based learning and text-based learning. Buddi has structured this course into three levels, beginner, proficient and topper. Beginner and proficient is further categorized into foundation, game development and mobile application development. Topper is further categorized into foundation, game development and web application development. Now let's see how coding classes are conducted at Buddi. So initially there will be a warm-up session during which the tutor and student are introduced to one another to make the child comfortable for the remaining classes and increase interaction. Hi.
Hi,
So what's your name?
my name is Sanjit Gopinathan. You can also call me Sanju.
Okay, Sanju, this is Sonia. I am your coding instructor. Next, the tutor will start explaining the topic with real-time examples and explain how to put it in practice. The practical links will be shared via the chat box and making the student a presenter. Corresponding instructions will be provided. The student click the link and share their screen, making them able to practice from their computer based on the instruction given by the tutor. Finally, the session will be concluded by conducting a quiz and a recap session. Okay kids, hope you now have an idea about how coding classes are conducted at Buddi. It is an excellent way to start coding for young children. Let's get to learn and grow with Buddi. Please contact us 98408 44987.